from doner kebab to KFC, then to Greece in a day. Wait, if today is wait. Today is Sunday, tomorrow will still be Sunday in Greece, I think. So exactly 24 hours from now, we should be sitting in a gigantic plane, rocketing off to Greece in space. We're going to a plane to Greece.
Why?
I wanted to have a little visit. Last time, we also went to Greece. Lockdown, back home, isolation. That might happen again.
Did you isolate last time?
Maybe. Maybe not. But I think I was meant to. And I did. Which is good.
And put on your own mask before helping others.
Flash. We are here. And we are
Where?
apartment.
Oh.
And I also need to say something. If this was brick, this would be like the entrance to Triangle Island. Well, I'll put it back. And then we've got this beautiful kitchen. And I was talking about Harry Potter. And over here, got our biscuits. People's biscuits that they gave us. Some orange spread and honey spread. And we've got some cutlery, storage, and just cookies and stuff. More biscuits, cake, table, and stuff to wrap stuff in. And we've got our oven, we've got just some drawers, a microwave, a kettle, more drawers. And then it needs to be emptied. So now we are in a kebab shop, Greek kebab shop. And we will be ordering 2 full kebabs, 2 french fries. Together makes 1 kebab and 1 chips, and french fries, and another 1 kebab and 1 french fries. And then I will gobble them down, not greedily. And hopefully I will enjoy them. If you did not notice, I have no idea why I put Samantha. I have no idea. Payment room. Now we're going to go back to the hippo bathroom and open it. Yeah, open it. To see. Last opening, shower door. I was the first one to use this towel. And then you got a washing machine and a toilet. And they have my some towels and some more toilet paper, hand sanitizer, obviously, AVAC thingies, and some other stuff, little cactus on top. Well, at least I think there's a cactus, more towels, plug or something, and then cup, more soap, and a towel. And then we can make it into the microwave. Obviously, I need my umbrella. Yes, obviously. I've got my. Why do I only have one towel? Well, I've got one towel. My sister's got 2 towels. I've got my phone. My dad's phone. And then we've got a light, another light, and this tree. And this, which is something. And then we can make it down here. Look at some poppies. And then turn off the light. Read down, go down the corridor. Walk into this room. Have a nice bed. Modern dressing table. Modern desk. Balcony. Maybe you can take a visit. Here's a glass sliding door. Not too sure how to open it. Okay, so you can open. That's the end of the house. Oh yes, and more pictures. This place is very decorative. Another picture and a cup. And wrapped and obviously another umbrella.